Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Caronport, Saskatchewan, a small community in the heart of the province. This town has roots going back to the early 1900s when it was first settled as part of the expanding Canadian prairies. Caronport's name comes from the nearby Caron farming area combined with the word airport because of the airfield built here during World War II. The airfield played an important role training pilots, which helped shape the town's early growth. It's home to a well-known Bible college which brings students from all over to study and live here. The town is surrounded by wide open fields and big Saskatchewan skies, making it a beautiful place for nature lovers. Whether you're here for history, community, or just to enjoy the quiet prairie life, Caronport has something to offer everyone. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Caronport, Saskatchewan.